If you're spending around 7 hours culling, editing every session, then this video will definitely change your life. Let me show you the workflow that's burning out photographers everywhere. First, they spend around 2 hours culling 800 photos down to 100. You know the process. Clicking through each image, second guessing every decision, not sure about which one of the bunch to choose over the other one. Then they edit each photo individually. They spend 3 to 4 hours trying to match skin tones, fighting with exposure, making each image consistent, finally retouching. And you know that's the longest part of the process. That can take up to 5 hours in between removing blemishes, fixing flyaway hairs, cleaning up distractions. At least when you're editing, you can synchronize your changes. With retouching, you're stuck manually working on each photo individually. That, my friends, is a lost weekend right there. If you do the math, that's around 11 hours minimum, and that's if everything goes perfectly. Now, here's what changed everything. Instead of fighting my workflow, I decided to automate it. I jumped onto the AI wagon and just decided to enjoy the ride. Let me show you a 400 photo portrait session using my Aftershoot workflow. Let's start with the culling. Instead of spending 2 hours clicking through every photo, I just let Aftershoot do its thing and wait for it to tell me when it's done. As simple as that. Behind are the days of deciding over images that basically look the same. Nobody knows the difference. The AI analyzes every photo for sharpness, expressions, eyes open, best moments, and all of a sudden, 400 photos get culled into 100 in just 3 minutes. That's insane. And as for the editing, instead of spending hours just making individual adjustments, moving sliders, going back and forth between photos, Aftershoot just matches my editing style across all images in an instant. I get consistent skin tones, perfect exposures, my signature look basically. All of a sudden, 100 photos get edited in just under 8 minutes. And the quality? See it for yourself. Aftershoot learned my style and just applies it to everything I do. It's almost as if a clone of mine decided to work while I was doing something else. The results are impressive. And now, the retouching. That's the part that used to take the longest, back in the manual days. Instead of 5 hours of detailed work, I can get it done so much faster that it just doesn't make sense to me. Aftershoot handles skin smoothing, blemish removal, eye enhancement, teeth whitening, and you get natural results. Not that overdone AI look you get when you input an image into ChatGPT or something of the sort. All I do now is I move some sliders around and pick how much I want to retouch. And before you know it, you get 100 images retouched in under 10 minutes. That is a Guinness Records if I've ever seen one. Think about it, 100 portraits retouched. If you could manually retouch each portrait in around 3 minutes, that would mean you would take 300 minutes to retouch 100 photos. Well, Aftershoot just saved you 290 minutes, so you're welcome. Let me just break this down for you. If manual culling took you 2 hours, it now takes you 3 minutes. Manual culling used to take 3 hours to edit, and now AI editing takes around 8 minutes. And retouching, you've seen it, 5 hours through the manual process, while the AI just takes 10 minutes. That's a total time of 11 hours reduced to 21 minutes. If you do the math, that's 95% of time reduction. I went from spending entire weekends editing to delivering galleries the same day sometimes. And guess what? Same day delivery can be offered as an upsell, and some people will gladly pay a little more to get their photos faster than regular delivery times. The results? My clients are happier. I get to do more non-work activities, and I'm booking more sessions because word spreads when you're delivering fast. And since I can handle more work, I can schedule more work. The biggest question I get is, but will it match my style? Is the quality good enough? Will my clients notice that I used AI? Here's the truth. Clients care more about getting their photos quickly than they do about you spending 11 hours perfecting every pixel. All a client wants is to look good. They will never pixel peep as much as we do when we are checking our own work. That's a photographer thing. And honestly, Aftershoot does a lot of things way better than I ever could. It never gets tired, it never makes inconsistent decisions, and it doesn't stress over doing more and more work. Listen, do yourself a favor. Try Aftershoot for free for 30 days. Run one of your old sessions through it, check how the culling works, check the editing, finish up with the retouching, and compare. The link is in the description, and if you try it, comment below with your time savings. I want to hear your story. Anyways, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. And as always, don't forget to follow Aftershoot in all of our social media to be always up to date with the latest we have to offer. See you all in the next one.